Hey everyone, it's Carl with ClearFlow Home Maintenance. Today we're heading out to one of our recent gutter cleaning customers. While we were up there taking care of their gutters, we noticed something important. Both of their chimney caps were missing. God knows where they went. She had a 9x9 chimney flue and a 13x13, a larger size chimney flue, completely exposed. Okay. We sent her some photos, explained the risk, and she gave us the green light to install two brand new stainless steel chimney caps. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're heading out there now. Okay, we'll talk to you in a bit. All right, guys, so we just got here now, and before we get the new caps installed, let's talk about why chimney caps matter, because they're one of the most overlooked protections on a home, okay? A chimney flue without a chimney cap is basically an open pipe pointing straight into your home. Rainwater goes right down inside the flue, and over time, it can cause rust on the damper, brick deterioration, and cracked flue tiles, mold growth inside the chimney, and even ceiling and drywall damage. A $100, $200 chimney cap can prevent thousands of dollars in repairs. Seriously, water is the number one cause of chimney failure. Okay. The next big reason: animals love open chimneys. Okay, birds, squirrels, raccoons. We've seen it all. They bring nesting materials that can block the flue, and a blocked flue means dangerous smoke backing up into the home. Okay, caps keep critters and all their debris out of the house, out of your chimney. Okay, a chimney cap with a spark arrestor, spark guard, some people call it, also helps keep out the hot embers from shooting out of the chimney and landing on the roof. Huge safety factor. Okay, you don't need any fires. All right. And lastly, chimney caps reduce wind from blowing cold air down into your chimney, especially during storms. Nobody wants a living room full of smoke or that cold draft coming into the house when you're walking past your fireplace. Okay, if you know what I mean, let us know in the comments if you ever felt that. Okay, so these are the two units that we are installing today: a 9x9 and a 13x13 stainless steel cap. They're durable, rust resistant, and designed to last for decades. So I'm going to put these on. We're going to speed up the process so you guys aren't watching me install them, because they're pretty simple. Just stick them on, 4 screws, and you call it a day. All right, so see you in a bit. So that's it, guys. Two brand new chimney caps installed and another homeowner protected. If you haven't checked your chimney caps recently and you want us to take a look at it the next time we're up there cleaning your gutters, give us a call. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more information and more home maintenance tips. Until next time, call with ClearFlow Home Maintenance. Peace out.